Welcome to Cook's Travel. My name is Bugra Sal. I'm gonna talk about every week one of the ingredients I usually use in my dishes. This week I'm gonna talk about one of the green beautiful plant. It's called parsley. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and turn all notifications on. Thank you. Parsley is one of the very special and one of the most used ingredient in Mediterranean and some of American dishes. It's been popular every day and it has been popular for very long years. It is very healthy, very easy to find, and it's one of the annual plants, so you can find any time in a year. It grows in Mediterranean climate such as Italy, France, Spain, Turkey, Greece. It is resources for vitamin, cancer fighter, antioxidant, and good for bones. So everyone should have the parsleys in the dishes when it needed. Parsleys, you can have it as a dry, keep in your dry storage for a long time, or you should have it like a very fresh when you get from the shops. There are a few types of parsleys. For example, we got flat leaf parsley or curly parsley. Curly parsley called sometimes French parsley, and flat parsley being called as an Italian or continental parsley. There is same family, but there are differences. The shape differences. The taste is just slightly different. Curly parsley gets really bitter when it gets older, and leaf parsley stays fresh but dies quickly when you buy it. Usually when you buy it takes 3 to 4 days to just starting losing color. The parsley is usually very green. When you are buying, keep your mind, get the freshest look parsleys. Curly parsleys are really good for the garnishing the food and still tasty, beautiful. We got other type of it. We call it the root parsley. Root parsley is we usually use for the making stock, making stews, and some other vegetarian dishes like a casserole. There are two more different parsleys we have, which is Hamburg and Japanese parsley. I'm not going to talk about those ones because we don't use them in kitchens. In American cuisine, they use the parsley for chicken, rice, fish, like a Europe culture. It's a type of the ingredient can go anytime with any dish perfectly. Don't use too much, that's it. Flat pastas like Italian pastas usually go with the salad perfectly, especially with the potato baked dishes. They chop it very finely and put it on the plate, marinate with the potatoes, put it in the oven. You're gonna get tasty, very nice smell. Italian parsley has got flat leaves, a bold aromatic flavor, a color ranging from dark green to bright leafy green. Curly parsley is thicker ruffled curly leaves, bright green color, and usually it gets bitter when it gets older. Parsley contains many nutrients. I'm going to talk about those ones now. That helps you out to keep you away from sicknesses. Parsley is a low calorie, nutrient dense herb. It's a particularly rich in vitamins K, A, and C. It's rich in antioxidants, and especially the vitamin C. You can easily get it from the parsleys. Parsley's got powerful antioxidants, which may help you to prevent from the cell damage, and it's going to prevent you from the certain diseases. Parsley's got strong vitamin K, and that helps you out the bones get stronger. Parsley can contain your eye health. You can get stronger eye vision with parsleys. Parsleys are very cheap to buy, so when you go to the shops, it's one of the ingredients you can get it easily for very cheap price. I often use this parsleys in the salads, especially the curly parsley, because it stays pretty shiny and alive longer than the flat leaf parsley. When you are cooking hot dishes, especially stews, try to just chop the parsley very, very thin slices, so it just combines the other ingredients perfectly and quickly. Try to add the parsley always in middle of the cooking process so it doesn't get burned in butter or oil. To store it, if it is a dry, keep it in your dry storage. If it is a fresh, wrap in a paper towel and put it in the fridge, and don't keep it more than 3 or 4 days. Thank you very much for today. I hope you're going to use the parsley more often now. I'm pretty sure it's going to be very healthy for you and you'll be enjoying it. Please like the video and share. Any question, please write under the comment section. Thank you very much.